Welcome to a journey of gratitude. In this video, we celebrate the love and connections that enrich our lives. Let's embrace the joy and appreciation for the relationships that shape our world. Let's begin. Repeat after me. I am grateful for the love that fills my life, enriching every day. Every hug from a friend is a reminder of the kindness in the world, for which I am thankful. I cherish the moments of laughter and joy shared with loved ones. For the listening ears and understanding hearts in my life, I am deeply grateful. I appreciate the strength I draw from my family's unyielding support. I'm grateful for the love that has come into my life, teaching me its true value. I'm thankful for the friends who have become family and the family who have become friends. Each day, I am thankful for the shared smiles and comforting embraces. I cherish the wisdom and guidance I receive from those I love. For every act of kindness, big or small, from those around me, I am thankful. I'm grateful for the patience and understanding that strengthen my relationships. Each shared experience with loved ones is a treasure I am thankful for. I cherish every moment of sincere conversation that deepens my relationships. My heart is full of gratitude for the joy and laughter my loved ones bring into my life. I appreciate the beauty of old friendships that have stood the test of time. I cherish the support and encouragement from those who believe in me. I am deeply grateful for the gift of companionship in all its forms. I'm thankful for the laughter and fun that light up my days with friends and family. I cherish the gentle guidance and wisdom shared by those who care for me. I'm thankful for the sense of unity and harmony I experience in my closest bonds. I'm grateful for the gift of love in all its forms, enriching my life every day. Every act of kindness from a loved one is a blessing I cherish deeply. I appreciate the patience and kindness shown to me by those I love. I'm grateful for the simple moments of togetherness that mean so much. In moments of challenge, I am thankful for those who stand by my side, offering their support and understanding. Every shared laugh, every shared tear enriches my life. I'm thankful for them. I'm grateful for the small acts of kindness from strangers. I'm thankful for the memories created with loved ones, each a precious gift. I'm grateful for the gift of love in its many forms, enriching my life daily. I am grateful for all the relationships in my life,